Okay, this is John and Parita, and we're walking in the doors of the church, and they really have gone all out for us. They have set up a beautiful setting for our marriage. They have been gracious host my entire time I've been here. The family and the church family, they have been just amazing. So this is, I imagine, where we're going to be, and this is where Pastor will be, and there is these beautiful flowers arrangement with the Bible being held up by two hands, and so really nice decorations right here at the altar in front of the pulpit. So thank you for joining us and praying for us. All right. We love you. God bless you all. We love you so very much. Thank you for being on this journey with us.